You clicked this video because you want one answer. What actually happens if you invest $1,000 every single week? Not the motivational version, not the feel-good version, the real version, the exact numbers, the exact years. The exact moment $1,000 a week turns into $1 million, then $2 million, then $3.5 million. I am going to show you every single milestone, year by year, number by number. No fluff, no filler, and I promise you the 22-year number is going to genuinely stop you in your tracks. Stay until the end, because the answer to that question, what happens if you invest $1,000 a week, is something most people never find out. Today you will. Let's go. Before we get to the milestones, let me ground this number for you. $1,000 a week. What does that actually mean? $1,000 times 52 weeks equals $52,000 per year. That is $4,333 every single month going to work for you. Now here is the engine behind everything I am about to show you. Compound interest. 3 simple lines. Pay attention. Your money earns a return. Then that return earns a return. Then that earns a return over and over every single year without stopping. It sounds simple. The math is anything but. Now add one more ingredient, the S&P 500, the index that tracks the 500 biggest companies in America. Over the past 100 years, through wars, recessions, crashes, pandemics, and every financial crisis you can name it, has returned an average of roughly 10% per year. That is not a promise, that is not a projection, that is 100 years of history. So what does $52,000 a year growing at 10% actually look like over time? Let me show you. Year by year, number by number. Here we go. This is the part you came for. Year 1 million, $57,000, you invested $52,000 from your own pocket. The market added roughly $5,000 on top. Total $57,000. I know what you are thinking. That feels small. That feels slow. You put in $52,000 and the market only added $5,000? Yes, year 1 feels like pushing a boulder uphill. And this is exactly where 90% of people quit. They look at the small numbers, they get impatient, they pull the money out, they tell themselves it is not working. It is working. It is just warming up. Keep watching. Year $3,185,000, you have now put in $156,000 total from your own pocket. But your account shows $185,000. The market added $29,000 this year alone. Do you see what is starting to happen? The market's contribution is growing, not because you did anything different, because the base is getting bigger. And a bigger base earns bigger returns. The snowball is starting to roll. Year 5 millis, $330,000 5 years in. You put in $260,000 total. Your account shows $330,000. The market made $70,000 that your hands never touched, that your alarm clock never rang for, that no boss ever approved. $70,000 generated by your money working while you lived your life. Your money just got its first real job. And it is getting better at that job every single year. Year $7,520,000 over $500,000. The market is now adding more than $45,000 per year on its own. Think about that. $45,000 per year. Automatically, that is nearly 1 full month of your $1,000 weekly contributions generated without you lifting a finger. The boulder is not just rolling now, it is picking up speed. Year $10,860,000 10 years in. $860,000. The market added more than $80,000 this year alone. Let me put that in perspective. $80,000 in 1 year. From an account you barely touched. From a fund you set up once and walked away from. You are close now. Very close. $1 million is no longer a dream. It is a countdown. Year $12,100,000 millionaire, you crossed $1 million. 12 years. That is it. 12 years of $1,000 every single week, and you are a millionaire. Now let me show you the numbers behind this moment. Because this is the part that will hit you hardest. Over 12 years, you put in a total of $624,000 from your own pocket. The market made the other $476,000. Nearly half your million you never worked for. You never earned. You never saved from a paycheck. The market built it for you. Silently, consistently, 1 week at a time. But here is what nobody talks about. The journey does not stop at $1 million. Because the next milestone, it comes faster. Much faster. Year 17, $2 million double millionaire. 5 years after hitting $1 million, you doubled it. $2 million. It took 12 years to reach the first million. It only took 5 more years to add the second one. That is the power of compound interest in full gear. And look at what the market is doing now. At this stage, the market is adding roughly $180,000 per year on its own. $180,000 per year. That is $15,000 every single month generated automatically, without you working a single extra hour, without you making a single investment decision, without you doing anything at all except staying in. $15,000 a month. Automatically, let that number sit for a moment. Year 22, $3,500,000, multi-millionaire, $3,500,000. $3.5 million. And here is the number that will make your jaw drop. At this stage, the market is adding over $300,000 per year to your account. $300,000 in a single year. From an account you set up once, from a fund you chose once, from a decision you made once, $300,000 in 1 year. That is $25,000 every single month coming in automatically. That is more than most people earn working full-time at a job they have had for years. This is what $1,000 a week actually becomes. This is the real answer to the question you came here with. Year 1, $57,000. Year 5, $330,000. Year 10, $860,000. Year 12, $100,000. Year 17, $2 million. Year 22, $3,500,000. Same $1,000 every week. Never stopped, never changed. The math did the rest. Let me stop here for a second. Because $3.5 million is just a number until you understand what it actually buys you. It does not buy you a mansion. It does not buy you a yacht. It buys you something far more valuable than either of those things. It buys you freedom. There is a principle in personal finance called the 4% safe withdrawal rate. It basically means this. You can pull out 4% of your total investment portfolio every single year, and your money will last the rest of your life. The math backs this up across decades of research. So let's apply it. At $2 million, 4% equals $80,000 per year. That is $6,666 every single month, deposited into your account, without you working a single day for it. At $3 million, 4% equals $140,000 per year. That is $11,666 every single month. Automatically, passively, forever, $11,666 a month. More than most people earn at a full-time job. And here's the thing I want you to understand about this number. This is not retirement money. Retirement money is money you use when your working life is over. Money that runs out eventually. Money tied to an age. This is freedom money. Freedom money means you choose when you work. You choose what you work on. You choose who you work with. You are never forced into anything by financial pressure ever again. At $3.5 million, your money earns more in 1 month than most people earn in 6. That is what $1,000 a week is really building. Not just wealth. Freedom, now I know exactly what some of you are thinking. Jack, $1,000 a week sounds impossible. That is $52,000 a year. I do not have that kind of money sitting around. I hear you. And I want to show you something. For many households, $1,000 a week is already leaving the account. Every single week. Right now. It is just leaving in pieces small enough that nobody notices. Let me show you what I mean. Car payment, $400 to $600 a month. Restaurant and takeout, spending $300 to $500 a month. Subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, apps, delivery services, $100 to $200 a month. Shopping and lifestyle inflation, new clothes, gadgets, home things, random online orders, $200 to $400 a month. Add all of that up. You are already spending $1,000 to $1,700 per month, roughly $250 to $400 per week, on things that give you zero long-term return. Scale it across a full household. Add a partner's spending. Add entertainment. Add the daily habits that feel small but compound over 30 days. The money is already there. It is already leaving your account every single week. The only question that matters is, where is it going? Is it building your future, or is it building someone else's business? I am not telling you to cut everything. I am not telling you to live like a monk. I am telling you to make one intentional redirect. One deliberate choice about where a meaningful portion of your weekly spending goes. That one redirect held consistently for 22 years is the difference between $0 and $3.5 million. Same money. different destination. I am not letting you leave this video without a clear plan. Because knowing the math is not enough. You have to do something with it. Right now, today, here are 5 steps. Follow them in order. Step 1. Find your $1,000. Add up this week's spending. Car payment, restaurants, subscriptions, shopping, online orders, lifestyle spending. Add it all up. The $1,000 is in there. I promise you it is in there. Find it, name it, redirect it. Step 2. Open a brokerage account today. Not tomorrow, not this weekend. Today, Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab are all free to open. They take about 20 minutes. Pick one, open it right now. Step 3. Automate $1,000 every single Monday. Set it up once. Make it automatic. Make it invisible. Make it non-negotiable. Pay your future self before you pay anyone else. The moment it becomes automatic, it becomes unstoppable. Step 4. Choose one S&P 500 index fund. Not 5 funds. Not a complicated portfolio. Not individual stocks. One fund. S&P 500. That is the entire investment strategy. The same strategy that builds the numbers I showed you today. Simple, proven, powerful. Step 5. Survive year 1. This is the most important step of all. Year 1 will feel slow. Year 1 will feel discouraging. Year 1, the market will probably drop and your account will go red and everything in you will want to pull the money out. Do not. Remember the milestone chart. Remember that year 1 is just $57,000. Remember that year 10 is $860,000. Remember that year 22 is $3.5 million. Your only job is to survive year 1. The math takes care of everything after that. Every week you wait is a week missing from your 22-year journey. The math does not pause. It does not wait. It does not give you extra time because life got busy. But it rewards generously and permanently everyone who stays in. Let me give you the full picture one more time. Year 1, $57,000. Year 3, $185,000. Year 5, $330,000. Year 7, $520,000. Year 10, $860,000. Year 12, $1,100,000. Year 17, $2 million. Year 22, $3,500,000. That is what $1,000 a week actually does. Not a guess, not a dream, not a motivation poster, just math. Applied consistently over time. Now I want to hear from you. What year of this journey are you starting right now? Are you at year 1 just getting started? Are you somewhere in the middle grinding toward $1 million? Or have you not started yet and today is the day? Drop it in the comments right now. Whatever your answer is, drop it. Because here is what I have seen happen in this community over and over again. The moment you say it out loud, the moment you type it in that comment box, something shifts. The number becomes real. The goal becomes real. The urgency becomes real. So drop it right now. And if these numbers hit different, if this video showed you something real for the first time, subscribe to Jack Invest. Every single week, we break down exactly how regular people build extraordinary wealth. Real numbers, real strategies, real results. No hype, no shortcuts, no nonsense, just the math that changes lives. Next week, I am going to show you the exact step-by-step process for setting up your first automated investment, even if you have never touched a brokerage account in your life. You do not want to miss that. I will see you there.